This may be the last time you get to buy SCHD dividend stock before it explodes. That's what she. SCHD is currently selling at around $70 and it seemed to have corrected itself from past December when it was reaching the near $80 mark. This is a perfect buying opportunity in my opinion, because I don't see it falling back to those levels anytime soon. And if you know me, you know that I like buying my stocks at great discounts. By doing this, you get to increase your profits once the stock recovers and reaches new highs. In fact, the greatest investor in our lifetime that goes by name as Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful." And when looking at all the chaos happening around the world, stocks tend to drop down, leaving us with a perfect buying opportunity to scoop up some great deals. SCHD has been gaining popularity over the years for its dividend payouts and the stock growth. SCHD Dividend Stock ETF Index Fund has beaten the S&P 500 over the last decade. In the last 10 years, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF obtained a 11.67% compound annual return with a 14.22 standard deviation, beating the S&P 500 by quite a margin. In fact, SCHD has so far beaten the S&P 500 by 10% year to date, according to SeekingAlpha.com. By looking at the stock history, it's safe to say that it will continue to grow. It has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 12% and has a perfect low expense ratio at 0.06. SCHD checks all the requirements and it's a buy in my book. So the fees are very low when investing into this ETF stock. There will always be fees when investing into ETFs. These fees are known as expense ratios, and the lower the better, as they will save you money down the line. And when looking into SCHD, this stock has a 0.06% fee, which is ideal and close to perfect, because let's be honest, nobody likes paying fees. Well, at least for the normal person. I plan on continuing to buy and holding it for the long term. SCHD is one of those stocks that I plan to hold in my portfolio for years to come. And when the time comes, SCHD will one day pay for all my expenses and hopefully lead me to an early retirement and getting unlimited Costco pizza for free. I'm just joking. Or am I? Anyways, my plan to get to this point is simply by doing all of the things I'm currently doing today. And that is reinvesting my dividends from SCHD and contributing at a monthly or weekly basis. By doing this, I will get to see my little portfolio grow to a huge portfolio. Pause. Never mind. If you're enjoying this video so far, please drop a like and why not subscribe while you're at it. And comment below your thoughts. Thanks. You may have known this by now, but for everyone who doesn't know, SCHD is an ETF stock. ETF stock holds a basket of different types of stocks, and ETFs are managed by professionals. This is why ETF investments are a wise investment, as they provide you with a hands-free and diversified investments, which leads to a safe investment, because by having multiple stocks, you won't have to worry about one stock losing you money, as the others will make up for it. SCHD focuses on the dividend-paying companies. In fact, all of their stock holdings pay out a dividend. I really like investing into dividend stocks, as they provide you with a peace of mind, and by investing into dividend stocks, you will actually get rewarded by just holding the stock, and not to mention the capital gains. Investing into dividend stocks is the most passive investment out there. So if you like making money while you're asleep, this stock is definitely for you. I mean, who doesn't like making money, especially while you sleep? That's why this stock is a no-brainer in my opinion. So SCHD is actually made up of just a little bit over 100 stocks. SCHD holds well-known companies I bet you heard before. These companies are Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Chevron, Home Depot, and so much more. If you thought I was going to name 100 companies, you are insane. But if you want to know, just Google it up. Anyways, SCHD holds well-established companies that will outperform any other investments during hard times. This is why I see the stock going parabolic. Well, probably not parabolic, but you get the point. Sorry for the clickbaity title, I'm just trying to grow. Thanks for understanding. But I expect SCHD to continue to hold its ground and continue to perform. In fact, this is not financial advice, and there will always be risk involved with any types of investments. SCHD is a safe option in my opinion, and I'm rocking with it for years to come. Another reason why I like SCHD so much is because it is a very diversified stock, and being diversified helps you overcome the market's volatility and rough economic times. SCHD holds roughly around 100 dividend-paying companies, which have a long history of paying dividends even during wars or simply rough times. I often encourage people to get started investing as soon as possible. Every year that you're not investing into the stock market is just a wasted opportunity for you to retire at an early age. One of my goals is to retire at an early age, and by investing into SCHD, I will definitely get to do that by simply stick to my rules of dollar cost averaging and reinvesting my profits back into this stock. Think of this as a snowball rolling down a mountain. The snowball will get bigger and bigger while rolling down a mountain. Same thing happens when you invest into stocks. Your stock will compound and will even continue to grow faster as you reinvest your dividends from the stock. And you can actually continue to purchase the stock while it's compounding. And by doing this, you will speed up the process. The key to investing in stocks is to be consistent, and over time, you will get rewarded. If you made it this far, I just want to give you a huge shout out, and I truly appreciate your support. This video isn't sponsored, so check out my referral links down in my description to get started with stocks or even crypto. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out these 2 videos you may be interested in. It's been your boy Kendrick, and I'm out. Peace.